Hi guys, I hope you guys are fantastic. You're having a great day. Leo, we are going to make something, fish. We've not made fish in a long time. I'm not really a fan of fish when it comes to, making, but I love how it tastes like. But nasikianga ni kama in this period where I am doing a diet and all, I normally feel like fish is such a small portion. I feel like I want to eat more, but as time has gone by, I've really come to appreciate it because it's really filling. It's just that in the beginning it was not. So today I want to make for you crumbed fish with courgettes and hoho, but see hoho more, but I love courgettes more. So like just pan-fried courgettes basically. I do like to marinate my fish. I marinate using salt. I use garlic. Sometimes I use lemon and sometimes I don't. And I use curry powder. I like the natural ile turmeric the root itself. So you blend it in with the garlic. So that's what I use. But right now I don't have the turmeric. But that is one of my favorite ingredients to use when it comes to any marination that I do. I normally blend garlic and then keep it in the fridge so that it's kazi tu ni kuchota na kupika nayo. So today I didn't have any, so I have prepared some garlic, and this is what I'm going to blend today so that I can keep it in my tin and keep it in the fridge for other subsequent, of course, cooking sessions. But today we're gonna do it together so that you just see how I do it. It's so simple. I just remove the ngozis, that's it, and then I put them inside, put a little water, and then I blend. So let's see how that goes. Sindio? This is my Ramtons blender. So this is what I use. So first I'm going to put the garlic inside. Just put a little water. So as you can see, that's it. It's very little. I try to make just enough for the week because I don't need too much. So when I finish this, of course, I put it in my tin. So we'll use mabaki kuweka kwa nini yangu, kwa fish yangu. And that is my garlic. So next we're going to do marination of my fish. So I take salt. I pour on the ambayo ilikuwa imebaki hapa. Rub in. Next, because I love curry powder, I'll use a bit of this. So this is Bavita biscuits. These are the biscuits I use. They are sugar free. They are good crackers and they are sugar free. Instead of using breadcrumbs, I will use my portion to marinate, but I'll only use one. I place inside there. So I take my fish, sort of just pour the crumbs on top. As you can see me do, pat them. Sasa kila kitu tumetengeneza, as you can see, inakaa nangojea kukula. This is going to be so nice. So when I'm done with that, I put it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. While that is happening, I'll make my courgettes, the ones I want to eat with the fish. Put a bit of salt on them. So these ones go here. I don't use a lot of onions, but all this is a choice. The portions that I'm using currently are portions that I have measured to suit what it is that I am doing. But even if you're losing weight, you don't have to do it with exactly the same grams I'm eating. But I can assure you that as long as you're eating vegetables, you're using your olive oil, you're eating your protein, your weight is going to drop. One of the things that I do is I make sure that I record everything that I'm eating, and that's why I'm very keen to show you the process. Most of the time the weight that we pile up is weight that we think that we've written down what you've eaten, but when you do lunch you forget the snack that you had. And right now you can see that I've actually even planned for the snacks that I'm going to have. So like for my onions, I don't use a lot of onion, but that's my choice. If you want to use a little bit more of onion, yes, but now what you need to look at is ensuring that your oil, whatever it is that you're using to cook, you don't use too much of, so that because it could easily compromise what it is that you're trying to do. So those are ready. The reason why I've not taken this away is because it has water that has garlic, and I will use this water. So huku hakuna kuwaste. I think we were all taught by our parents never to waste. Wastage si yetu. So first things first, weke your pan ukwe moto. Napenda pan moto sana. I love olive gold. Unlike last time niko na ingine. Yeah, using it well. Round. You see the fish? So pick your fish and place it like that. Pick the other one and place it. This is ready, and so we'll serve it. So next we're going to do our nyanya, onions, and the courgette. Same pan. Not real mafuta yenye ilikuwa. So I'm not using more oil. As you have seen, I've used a lot of oil on the fish. Not necessary, but I mean if you want you can, as long as it's olive oil. But also it doesn't mean that kama ni olive oil utumie mingi. So we just use kiasi cha haja. I have a bit of biscuits that were left here, so I'll just throw them in because you know they just become crunchy. We'll just make the courgette crunchy, so no wasting here, as I said. The reason I'm not putting anything else here is because remember I had salted the courgette, so I don't see the need for salting this, but I have the water that nilibakisha, so I could pour that. Nivishe hizi nyanya kiasi. is the meal. Crumbed fish and courgettes, and it is very nice. So I hope that you have learned something that you can do at home, make for yourself a meal. Remember, the portion is yours. Use a portion that you like, you enjoy. For me, this is a portion for my weight loss, and if you can do the same thing but slightly more, a larger portion. But if you're looking to reduce your weight, or you're looking to to start living a lifestyle that is healthy, you'd rather reduce the portions that you're having. I think everybody needs to individually understand themselves and what works for them. Remember that everything is here in the mind. So if you want your body to follow, your body will follow your mind. You get hungry here first before you get hungry in the stomach. So this is the place to control, this is the place to think about food, this is the place to think about what you're putting into your body, and you'll see your body start to follow where you're taking it. Tusifikirie tu tunasikia njaa. When you have that urge for eating, you're eating. No, sometimes you're thirsty. Sometimes it's just thirst. If you take water, utakuta hautakula sana. So I hope you've enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, to like, to comment if you love the content that I have, and most of all, to share with your friends. I hope that this content is going to be positive for you. It makes you have a positive outlook. It makes you start to look at your life in a different way, so that you're able to make decisions that are good for you. Remember to be a legend, to be a hero. For who? For yourself. Okay? Sawa sawa basi. God bless you and take care of you, and have a wonderful, wonderful day or night wherever you are. Mwah! Ciao!